Good day, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. So, guys, on this session, I'm going to be giving an update on the pairs that we talked about on our previous session. So, let us get into it. So, the first pair that we're going to be looking at is going to be the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. Now, with this pair on the higher time frame, nothing much has changed. We still have this as our impulsive movement. This is what our sideways corrective structure. Price did form a breakout and a retest, and this is still having what some more momentum to continue to reach at least those highs over there. And as we're dropping onto our mid-time frame, so on the mid-time frame, we did see price giving us what this impulsive movement, and this was what our continuation structure, and then price did continue to climb all the way to the upside. So in the lower time frame, this is what we used to execute our entry. This small corrective structure that we executed an entry on the breakout stops below, and then price is currently running at around 2% profit, but the maximum was around 3 point something percent, but the overall target is for a 3.53%. So in this one, we're just still holding and waiting to see whether price will do what will continue to reach out our take profit. Now, the next pair that you're looking at is going to be the US dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this one, high time frame, nothing much has changed. You still have what this is our impulsive movement. This side is corrective structure. Price for mini breakout, mini retest, high probability of dropping. And then on the mid time frame, we do have what price giving us this impulsive movement down. This is what our corrective structure. Price for mini breakout, and then price did drop as we anticipated. So now at the moment, we're waiting to see whether price will give us what at least another scaling opportunity that we might use to execute another entry. If not, then we are continuing to do it to hold this current pair, which is floating somewhere around 3.28% profit. So on this one, and already did move at our stop loss to break even. So this is what a risk for a trade. So we'll hold this one and we can see whether I will hit take profit or not. And now for our next pair, which is the Great British Pound over the Australian dollar. So this one, high time frame. This is still what that corrective structure that is more visible in the mid time frame, as you can see. And also we do have what this pattern, which is a continuation pattern to the upside. And now come on to the lower time frame. This is what we are looking at. So we're waiting to see whether this will do what could move up and form a breakout, and then this will take us in to ride what that impulsive movement all the way to the upside. And now for my bonus pair, which is going to be the Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So this one, high time frame, I'll just give a quick analysis on this one. So high time frame price did give me this continuation pattern that you do so over here. That's from the breakout. So this is having a high probability of reaching these lows over there. And then coming on to our mid-time frame, we do have this impulsive movement, and this is our sideways corrective structure that formed what a breakout. So overall, this is having a high probability of dropping and reaching those lows. And on our lower time frame, in terms of our entry, what am I looking for? So price already did give me what this impulsive movement. So all that I'm waiting for is just a simple corrective structure with two swing highs, two swing lows that I can use to do it as my entry pattern in order for me to execute my sales all the way to the downside. And this is how I will enter continuation structure. And from the breakout, stops above, and I take profit all the way to the downside. So this is how I'm looking at what the Australian dollar over the New Zealand dollar. So that's the update on the pairs that I'm looking at for the day, possibly throughout the week. I will continue to give you an update on the progress of these pairs. But for now, this is the end of the session, guys. Hopefully it was very informative. Take care, and I'll see you next time.